it's Gina from WTI. If you thought that butter dishes were just for your grandmother, then you obviously have never seen the Sweese butter dish. My husband and I used to have a butter dish that didn't have a handle on it, so that was one of the main things that we were looking for when we wanted a new butter dish. We also wanted something that could accommodate a larger stick of butter because we like to buy that pound of butter that you cut up yourself. This has so much room inside that it can fit more than just one stick of butter. One of the other huge selling points was that the color is so pretty and it fit in exactly with the color scheme that I have going on in my kitchen. So I couldn't pass it up when I saw what a great butter dish it was and how well it fit into my home. This is the butter dish that you didn't know that you needed but now can't live without, trust me. Not only is it modern and just beautiful, it's going to last a really long time and be the perfect accent to your kitchen. And that's my point of view.